A gym membership, where you pay less money the more often you go. When I click the X in the top right corner of Spotify and Skype, it actually exits the program. On April Fool's Day, The Onion should post completely true and serious news stories. Genetically modify the most commonly splattered bugs, so they're filled with windshield wiping fluid. A reverse eBay, buyers post something they are interested in buying, and vendors compete to offer the lowest bid. An Edward Snowden look-alike convention in the Moscow airport. Reply to late night Snapchat selfies with "what the fuck is that behind you?" Know that the sender has no way of reviewing the photo, and likely won't be sleeping that night. Start your car with your driver's license. This would make sure you have your license, that your license is still valid, and would allow you to share the car with people you know by adding them as a valid driver. Shia LaBeouf should rewrite, direct, produce, and play every role in a full-length, single-installment remake of the Star Wars prequels. Put $100,000 in cash on your dining room table, so every day you come home from work, you'll know immediately if your house was robbed. We should all follow a random person on Twitter, for no reason other than to see the tweet when he/she realizes they have thousands of new followers. Replace all ambulance sirens with ice cream truck music, so that when children run into streets for the promise of delicious ice cream, the ambulance is conveniently right there for when they are inevitably struck by oncoming traffic. Make an average member of the public compete in the Olympics, so the athlete's skills are contextualized. Raise a group of children believing that they are a part of the ancient Roman Empire. Raise another group of kids exposed to nothing but sci-fi tech. When they hit their 20s, I don't know, make them meet or something. Click the link below to submit and see more crazy ideas. The best submissions will be featured in future episodes.